we are still on variation, and I want us to look at July 2003, question number 4. It says P varies inversely as the square of Q plus 1. So P varies inversely means 1 divided by whatever number they want you to use, and they say the square of Q plus 1, so that is Q plus 1 squared, and P is 2, 1 Q. So A, they want you to write an equation connecting P and Q, give it that P is equal to 2, 1 Q is equal to 3. So before I've written this one, now for it to be an equation, that means this constant here has to be replaced by an equal sign, and that you apply what you call the proportionality constant. So we can therefore say that P is equal to K, and that is divided by Q plus 1 all squared. But we are given that, look, when P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3, and therefore we can come back and say 2 is equal to K divided by 3 plus 1 all squared, right? Which implies that 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4 all squared is equal to K, and 4 squared is equal to 16 times 2 is equal to 2. Therefore we can say that K is equal to 16 times 2 is equal to 32, and therefore we can come back and write for A. Therefore A is such that P is equal to 32 divided by Q plus 1 all squared. So that will be for A. Now let's take a look at B, and the B is saying that find the possible values of Q when P is equal to 8. So when P is equal to 8, we write 8 is equal to 32 divided by Q plus 1 all squared. Multiply through by do a simple cross multiplication, cross multiply, we get 8 times Q plus 1 all squared is equal to 32. We divide this up by 8, divide this up by 8, that gives us 4 here, and therefore Q plus 1 all squared is equal to 4. Now if you know what you're doing, generally you can take the square root on both sides. When I take the square root on both sides, and let me change the pen and say mark, take the square root of this side, take the square root of this side, you can see that Q plus 1 is therefore equal to plus or minus 2, right? So let me come back here. So now I have Q plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2. So what are the values of Q? The first values of Q are, so Q1 is equal to, I'm going to keep the plus, so plus 2 minus 1, and that is equal to 1. And then Q2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. And therefore Q is such that Q is equal to 1 comma minus 3. Those are your answers. Okay.